Authority is pleased to show you what's happening in Port Colts this month.
Good morning. Good morning. It's always such a pleasure to be here at the Beacon School. As parents and members of this community, my wife Florence and I are immensely proud to support this cherished institution with its faculty that so wonderfully nurtures these amazing students. Today we've come together to celebrate the grand opening of the Sheltered Workshop. It's a really fantastic initiative, and I commend all those involved. The Sheltered Workshop has been designed to help cultivate two different components of the student's character. Firstly, it allows the students' creative talents to flourish and creates a new means of self-expression for them. It also helps develop a level of independence in spite of some of our students' challenges. I'm certain the students will gain a huge sense of satisfaction from seeing their stunning works of art, the drinks, the soaps on sale to the general public, and likewise in seeing the gleaming cars leaving after their detailed cleaning. The Sheltered Workshop will allow the Beacon students to be known for what they can do, not what they can't. That the biggest disability in life is a bad attitude, and that's something you will never find at the Beacon School. Thank you.
The GBPA was a key sponsor in this year's Grand Bahama Technology Summit, hosted by the Office of the Prime Minister, which was even bigger and better this year. Many more tech giants were on hand to show how Freeport can become Silicon City. In a lively panel discussion, President Ian Roll made a significant contribution on continuing the efforts to improve our position as a technology hub.
This year, Focus Forward was held overlooking the festivities at Manor House, one of GBPA's contributions to the Tech Summit. Opening the show, President Ian Roll gave us show highlights and shared GBPA's vision as we continue to grow as a tech hub. In closing, Senior Manager of Business Development Derek Newbold announced that GBPA is working on the development of a medical park that will be a center for excellence within the region. Attendees had a first-hand opportunity to experience GBPA's technology, including our virtual audio presentation, smartphone apps, and online service options. Candy Captain's Tasty Treats were a real hit with everyone. We had a wonderful live on-location experience.
I just want to thank everybody, competitors. Our visitors have been so impressed with the volunteers out on the route, cheering them on. They've never come across anything like that. And of course, our sponsors. Our sponsors are crucial to running this event, and they've been very generous. And I especially want to thank our visitors who came to participate to our beautiful Grand Bahama Island, and we hope to see you all next year.
Where else can you swim in November? Are you going to do Conchman next year?